Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to enhance your hearing abilities or simply want to improve your listening experiences, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some of the best hearing aid apps available for Android that can provide valuable support for individuals with hearing challenges. Let's dive in and discover how these apps can transform the way you hear the world. Hear Clear, Hear from Distance. Hear Clear is an innovative app designed to enhance sound clarity and amplification for users who struggle with hearing. This app utilizes your device's microphone to pick up sounds from a distance, making it easier to hear conversations or sounds in environments like classrooms or meetings. The user-friendly interface allows for quick adjustments to volume and sound settings, ensuring a personalized experience. With features such as noise reduction and sound filtering, Hear Clear aims to improve overall listening experiences in various situations. It's an excellent choice for individuals seeking to enhance their hearing capabilities without needing a traditional hearing aid. HearingAid Booster V Recorder. HearingAid is a versatile app that functions as a sound amplifier, helping users enhance their hearing in real time. The app is designed to boost sounds captured by the smartphone's microphone, making conversations and environmental sounds clearer and more audible. With adjustable settings, users can fine-tune the volume and equalizer to match their preferences. Additionally, HearingAid includes a recording feature, allowing users to capture important conversations and listen to them later. This combination of amplification and recording makes it a valuable tool for individuals with hearing difficulties who want a straightforward solution to improve their listening experience. Super Hearing Spy Hearing App. Super Hearing is an intriguing app that transforms your smartphone into a powerful hearing enhancer. It amplifies sounds in the environment, making it easier to pick up conversations or subtle noises that might be difficult to hear. Its easy-to-use interface allows users to control the amplification levels and filter out background noise for a clearer listening experience. While the app is marketed for enhancing hearing, it's essential to use it responsibly, considering privacy and ethical implications. Super Hearing is especially useful in situations where you need to hear more clearly without the need for specialized hearing devices. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top hearing aid apps helps you find the right tool to support your hearing needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful app recommendations and insights. Which app are you interested in trying? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.